What's up everybody? Today we are going to take you through 4 of the cheapest glass coatings on the market. Does cheaper mean they're worse? Stick around and find out. Today I'm excited for this video. We are going to check out 4 very inexpensive ceramic glass coatings. If you don't know what a glass coating is, it's similar to like a ceramic coating, but it's specifically designed for glass. The first function primarily is safety, right? Why do we want to put anything on our glass, right? We've been taught to kind of keep our glass clean. We don't want to put anything on there for safety purposes. This is the opposite. We want to add something to it to make it safe. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check this out, right? We've all been on the highway, we've all been on the streets, a tractor trailer, a big truck catches a puddle in the wrong angle and boom, you can't see, right? Your windshield's covered in water. What do you do, right? You hit your brakes, you slow down, you wait for that water to clear, your windshield wipers are working overtime, and you carry on with your day, and hopefully there wasn't an accident, right? So what we do is we put something on our windshield to help protect us in those scenarios. All it's going to do is help evacuate the water faster off the surface, right? So that's the primary benefit of a glass ceramic coating. The secondary benefit is ease of maintenance, right? When we're drying the car, we're not going to see any of that water that's flooding on the windshield, and it's going to bead and sheet faster off the windshield, thus making the drying process faster. So today, you've seen glass ceramic coating videos. They're a dime a dozen. I wanted to try and find some of the cheapest on the market. Are these the absolute cheapest? No, I didn't scour that quickly, but they are really, really cheap. So we're gonna start with the tried and true here. This is Rain-X. Everyone knows it. I got this at Walmart, I think for $4 or $3.26. This is super cheap. I believe the durability on this, they say, is 3 to 4 months. So we're gonna test this bad boy out. We'll see how this does. Next up is a company not maybe all of you have heard of, but it's called Labocosmetica. This is called Aquavelox, right? This is a company out of Italy. This claims up to 6 months of durability. It's a glass nano sealant, so we're gonna apply this and see how she does. Next up is another company. This is called Nasiol. This is Nasiol Glass Shield, another nano rain repellent. This wildly claims up to 2 years of durability. This costs $18. The Labocosmetica, I think, is 19 bucks. I forgot to say that. So we're going to test that out. And then we have Griots Garage newest ceramic glass coating. The newest product. This was launched at SEMA in 2024. I'm filming this video in early 2025. Griots has had a glass sealant out. This is the first time they're putting on a glass coating. Again, they're claiming up to a year of durability. So we're going to test all 4 of these out. We'll try and do a longer term test for you guys, but I really want to show you the application and the water behavior, and then over time, I'll come back and give you guys updates. Stick around. We are going to clay. Probably doesn't need it, but we're gonna do it anyway. I'm just using the soap as lubrication, guys. It's pretty much all you need here. On the paint, I would be more, I would like load this up, but on the glass, it's fine. All right, so that is your current water behavior. This has CSL XO on it, and it's been approximately 1 year. Not bad for a paint coating. So we'll see if this is enough to strip the coating. This is the Glaco Soft 99 compound. Saves a lot of time from polishing, so I enjoy it. Don't have to get out the polisher, don't have to get out dirty a pad, don't have to clean a pad. I'll put the price up on the screen. It's relatively affordable and it lasts you a while. I'm on this is probably my 5th windshield with this, and it's still going strong. Actually, I've done whole cars with this, side windows and everything. Pretty darn easy way to strip a glass coating there. I'm very impressed. Show you this, like, this is also like what I was talking about, like the ease of maintenance beyond safety. It's like this water is still flooded, right? I blew this off the surface elsewhere, got a few beads left and I'll come touch up. But this windshield is still flooded with water without a coating on it, right? So like just the maintenance on them is just not ideal. Like I just hit it with this towel and it's still like wet. Like that's just, it like, it like doesn't want to dry. There we go. It's finally starting to dry after like kind of scrubbing it with this towel. Yeah, just the ease of maintenance with glass coatings, guys. You'll thank me later. Doesn't matter again if you do the $3 one or the $120 one. Like again, just the ease of maintenance is what you're hoping for too, along with obviously like the safety features. Pretty grabby, doesn't slide. Reference, here's Griots. Slides down. It wants to slide. It's moving. You probably can't tell on camera, but it's like, it's going a little bit. So Griots is the slickest so far. This is also moving at a snail's pace. So I would say slickest upon immediate application, Griots, then the Rain-X, then the Labocosmetica, then the Nasiol. So just the nature of the products.
1 week later.
Hopefully that was helpful for you. I just wanted to show you kind of the ease of application, show you the performance, and talk about the longevity. Again, I'm not in like a Seattle or a super rainy climate, so I don't really use my windshield wipers, but you know, I can bring you some random updates here and there, you know, 3-6 months or so, and see how they're holding up just with regular washing. So I hope that was valuable for you. I will link to all of these below. I think most of them you can find on Amazon, or like a few on the House of Rags. I'll link to them. FD10 will save you 10% for already super cheap products. Top coating today, I'll also link it down there. If you want that true durability and that like ultimate slickness, is Armor Detail Supply version 2 glass coating. The application is a wipe on, wipe off immediately. It doesn't even need time to cure. It can get wet immediately. Super, super slick. It's supposed to last 24 months on the windshield, maybe 36 months on the side glass. I've had it on my car so far. It's holding up like a champ. So I'm a really big fan of that. I think it's only about 55 bucks a bottle, so a little bit more expensive, but if it gets you 2 years, but then again, Nasiol says it gets you 2 years and this is 18 bucks. So we'll see. It doesn't have the slickness as like the Armor Detail Supply or even like the Griots, for example. So I'm a tactile guy. I'm a user experience guy. So I prefer that slick feedback, meaning like when I'm washing the car, when I'm drying it, I feel that it's slick. It just helps me mentally like understand it's protected. I know it doesn't have to be slick to be protected. So that's my weird rant. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining. Please consider liking and subscribing if you haven't. Talk to you soon. Thanks.